Whew! Good morning. It's GeoJerry's Adventures. Well, it might not be morning where you are, but here it's morning. And today, it is going to be a hot one. We're looking at a 96 degrees. I'm talking, it's going to feel like 100 degrees. Whoa! What the heck just happened? Told you it was hot out here. Well, find myself in some strange park. Hey, there's some munzees nearby. I think I'll grab me some munzees. And a geocache is by too. Sweet. There's the first one. All right, now it's geocache time. Guess what? I got it. Well, these cars coming driving by. Let me sign this log real fast. And I'll show you. Oh man, there's a lot of cars today. All right, log. Move my pin away. Look how this street is so busy. I just had like 25 cars just drive by. Oh, 2 cars. I can show you the geocache. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Hurry up and go. There it is. But guess what? All right, so I'm gonna go see if I can get a first to find, but it probably won't be a first to find because I see some people near where the cache was. They could be geocachers, and I, of course, was goofing around. I was out getting some munzees and getting another geocache when I saw this published. But I'm gonna walk over and check it out anyway. Why not? Let's go find out. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, a little bit of good news. The cache is in a different location than where I saw the people walking. So I'm gonna walk across the street here to where I think the geocache is. All right. Okay, I spotted the geocache already. That was an easy one. I don't know if the sun's in your ways, but it's another one of those. Here's our little geocache log. Let's find out. And my first to find. I got a muggle walking up this way too. Let's see if I can do this fast. That was the muggle. No, it's a first to find. Because that's just the geocache owner's name on here. Sweet. So there it is. First to find on this beautiful morning. All right. Love it when I can just go out and find a quick little first to find. Hope the lighting's okay. You guys are looking right into the sun, but enjoy the sun while you can, okay? All right, the melting sun and heat has moved in. I'm calling my geocaching done for the day. I got some other stuff I want to do and stay cool. So rather than melt away, thanks for watching. I'm gonna cruise, get out of here. You have yourself a great day. Get out there and go on some adventures. Whatever it is your adventure is, geocaching or whatever. Anyway, have a great day. Oh my gosh, it's getting hot.